All right, today I'm tackling a challenge, a feat. Most of you, if you've ever done this, are gonna have some understanding of this. So I'll show you what it is. It's a piece that we got for Sam for the kitchen. That's going to be for storage of items and things. And I'll show you a picture here in just a minute from the online. We got it on Amazon. But some assembly required. Okay, so it comes in a big box, and it is about 125 pounds there, so it's pretty heavy. I've already emptied the box. So, you know, it comes in this box, it's all packed up. If I can get this open, and I've got it out right now, but it comes in many layers. It's got all this styrofoam and a little thin foam wrap between the layers, and I brought it in here and I've kind of laid it out, so we've got pieces scattered everywhere, of course. So yeah, and that's just the hardware right there. So I think I'm going to be busy for a little while. I started putting the sliders on for the side pieces. That was a little bit confusing. According to the instructions, it shows us what to do here, but knowing to have these this way or this way, and there's an arrow facing the right direction and so forth, it was a little bit confusing, but I think I got that figured out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this thing. And for a time reference, it's about noon right now, so we'll see how long it takes. Okay, so here's one point that they didn't really point out, but assembling this part, this shelf right here, on this one, the back side, there's a smooth surface here. On the, I should say that's the front side. And on this side, there's a hole. They didn't say in the instructions which way to put this, with the hole facing the front or with the hole facing the back. But now that I'm putting it together, I can see that because this part slides on the back like this and it has a hole to line up with this shelf, obviously I've got this backwards. In the instructions, it shows a screw is going to go through there. But back here where this shelf was put together, it doesn't tell me, you know, which direction to put the hole. It doesn't even show the hole on this item number 4 here. So we're going to take this shelf off and flip it around so the hole will line up. Okay, it's about 2:30. I did take about a 30-minute lunch break just now, and earlier I took like a 15-minute break. So I've got, just under 2 hours into this so far. And I'm going to show you how these little cam things work on the drawers. Maybe I can get a better shot of it. I know it's hard to see on the time lapse, so let's try it. Okay, I'm going to show you how these cams work. These are the little cams, the A2 cams, but there are bigger ones that were in the sides of the cabinet in the back. But anyway, they work the same. The way they work is they have a slot. It's right here. They have this slot, and the head of the screw, the cam screw, ends up being in this space when it gets put together, and then the cam gets turned and it locks, pulls the head like that. You don't see this side because that's on the inside, but this is the side we see. So when we put it together, the cam screw has a little arrow right here. That gets put in the hole, and the arrow has to face where the screw is coming in. So I'll show you here. In this case, we have these holes, and the screw is going to be coming in this end here. See? And so we're going to put the cams in here like this. Okay. And the other one like that, facing the right way. So I have the arrows pointing towards where the screws are coming in. And the way this will work is this guy is coming in like this. So I can get the other side lined up first and then get this side. Oh, I have the wrong threaded rod on here. Let's get the other size. This guy's too long. Okay, just for showing you. So this, oh, I have this upside down. Hello. That might have something to do with it. Let's try bringing it over this way. There we go. Okay. So now our slots are lined up. Our slots for the base of the drawer. But the cam screws are now here, and the cam screws are in and cams are here. So then we tighten these guys down like this, and it locks. See, now it's tight. There we go. So I had put one of the drawer slide rails in backwards, and I'll show you what I mean here. So when you put these in, notice there's an arrow on the rail, and that's supposed to be facing to the front, okay, on all of these. So there's the arrow, face to the front. So all of them need to face to the front. I had flipped this top right when I had flipped it around, so I had to switch it now. This way the drawer the holes where you screw the screw in from the drawer to the rail, it wasn't lining up, and now it should line up. All right. Okay, finally finished. It's almost 6 o'clock. That took a while. Let me show you the finished product. I still have to, we've got to make sure that's the right location, and then probably secure it to the wall because it's a heavy duty cabinet for heavy duty things. So let's switch it around. Okay, here we go. So it's in place. Well, basically in place. We're gonna have to adjust it to the left or the right a little bit. Open it up, show you what it looks like here. There we go. So we've got the top opens, and you've got this nice little area to put, jars and things with these rods. These shelves are adjustable. That's part of the, you can adjust with these little posts here. And then you got your shelves in here, your upper part. And then this side, you get the same thing with the opening part. And then this is a nice big drawer here. Okay. And then you have two drawers on the bottom. Slide out drawer here, slide out drawer here, and then a shelf on the bottom. And then of course these doors close like that. And there we go. I will have to secure it to the wall once we get it in its proper place. So there you go. That's a wrap. Okay, so that's probably like 5.5 hours roughly. It's quite a project. So if you if you do want to get one of these things, it's figure on some time. I realized I probably could have done more of it on the table, which would have been nicer on my back. Later at the end, I realized, hey, let me do this on the table instead of on the floor. So, but anyways, it was good. It's done. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And today's the 1st of January. And you guys have a good one. Until next time, I'll see ya.